And first up, we get you breaking details coming in. The online money game ban bill that is set to be tabled in Parliament shortly. We continue to keep you up to speed with the latest as the government is all prepared to impose a crackdown on online gaming, which is already underway. The cabinet has approved online gaming bill and it is set to be tabled in the Parliament shortly. In fact, sources also say that the ban will be imposed on cash gaming apps, which has duped several innocents, and the lack of regulation that has also been a problem. Government to promote esports. Meanwhile, online cash game ban bill to be introduced in the Lok Sabha. The bill is to be tabled shortly. Let me cut across to Maushami joining us live with further details of how the proceedings are all set to pan out in Parliament on this particular bill.
So clearly unprecedented situation could be seen in the House because as far as the battle lines are drawn, the opposition is going to oppose the bill concerning the 30 days period where any constitutional person can lose his post, whether it's a chief minister or a minister, if he is in custody for 30 days. And we've seen that the opposition has been up in arms, saying that this is actually a very, very vindictive bill which will target the opposition further and victimize the opposition leaders who are in constitutional posts. So clearly, while the government is calling it one of the major steps against criminalization of politics and against corruption, the opposition is reading between the lines and slamming this bill. So we will have to wait and see. All the three pertinent bills are supposed to be brought in the House. The opposition is also going on to add that it's not about the standing committee sending it to the JPC. We are going to not allow even the introduction of the bill by the Home Minister.
All right, Maushami, we'll leave it at the moment at that, and thank you for getting us the latest details. We'll keep coming back to you for further updates.